Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to Amazon Prime Video step by step clearly. First, make sure your device is connected to the internet with Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Amazon Prime Video app on your phone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device. If you do not have the app, download Prime Video from the App Store, Google Play, or your TV's App Store. Launch the app and wait for the welcome screen to load completely. On the first screen, select the option that says Sign In. If you are using a web browser, go to primevideo.com and click Sign In at the top. Type the email address or mobile number linked to your Amazon account. Press Continue to move to the password screen. Enter your Amazon account password carefully, checking for uppercase and lowercase letters. Tap or click Sign In to access your account. If you forgot your password, choose Forgot Your Password and follow the reset instructions. Check your email or SMS for the verification code if Amazon asks for one. Enter the code exactly as shown and confirm to continue. If you use two-step verification, approve the sign-in using your authenticator or SMS code. On some smart TVs, you may see a code instead of a keyboard sign-in. If you see a code, open a browser on your phone or computer and go to Amazon.com/MYTV. Sign into your Amazon account on that web page if you are not already signed in. Enter the code displayed on your TV screen and select Register Device. Wait a few seconds for the Prime Video app on the TV to refresh and sign you in automatically. After signing in, choose your profile if multiple profiles are available. Confirm your region and language settings if the app asks you to select them. If Prime Video says you are not eligible, check that your Amazon Prime or Prime Video subscription is active. To verify your subscription, go to your Amazon account settings and open Memberships and Subscriptions. Return to Prime Video and refresh the app by closing it fully and opening it again. If you still cannot sign in, make sure your device date and time are set to automatic. Try clearing the Prime Video app cache or reinstalling the app if problems continue. If you are signing in on a shared device, remember to sign out later from settings to protect your account. Once signed in, search for a title and press play to confirm everything is working. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.